Hello, everybody. Welcome back to a special edition of Buzz Cooks. Today we're doing the Bobbie sandwich. It's what to do with your leftovers from Thanksgiving. Take your turkey, add a few pads of butter, a damp paper towel. Toss that in the microwave for a minute or two to melt the butter and moisten that turkey up. We're going to take our sub roll, cut it in half, spread a little bit of mayonnaise on it. Get both sides. While I'm doing that, please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment if you can. I really appreciate it. Now, once we get the mayonnaise spread, we're going to take some cranberry sauce and spread that on as well. Hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. I know it's always tough to figure out what to do with leftovers, but making the Bobbie sandwich is a special treat. So I've got stuffing that I've warmed up as well. So once we get the cranberry spread out on our bread, we're going to come back and we'll spread out a nice layer of the turkey. And then a nice layer of the stuffing. And then I'm going to take a little bit of parchment paper and roll it up nice and tight. Oh, I also hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Then we'll roll it up in parchment paper nice and tight. And then slice and serve with some leftover gravy. And you will have yourself a delicious Thanksgiving sandwich. And get rid of all those leftovers. Alright, thanks for watching. And remember, this is the Bobbie. Come back soon. Thank you.